Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, Chef Jerry today, and I was actually just sent this really nice Damascus steel knife. Now I want to show you how this came in the box with a nice little instruction guide, beautiful done box. Look at this Damascus knife here, protected on the corners. This is a 67 times folded Damascus, and it is an 8-inch chef's knife with a beautiful display box. I'm going to pull these little protective nibs off here. They do that so that it doesn't poke through the box because it's extremely sharp and extremely thin. It's also extremely straight. Do like the fact that this is all one solid piece. So even the handle that wraps around here and everything, it's all solid. Really nice 5-inch ergonomic grip on that. So easy to hang on to. Really a strong and sturdy knife. That way if you're out here, I mean, that's just, that's effortless as far as cutting like lunch meats and things like that. That's great. If you're needing to chop stuff, you've got a chef's knife for that. Here's a little bigger challenge. If you get something soft like tomatoes and things, I mean, that just melts right through there. That is incredible how sharp that is. I mean, you can cut some real thin layers off of that. I am impressed with how easy that is. I'm barely pressing on that, and it's cutting super thin layers of that, so that's great. Need to get a little deeper, cut some that like that. You can chop it this way. Really nice sharp blade. Loving the Damascus design on this blade. Looks really nice. And as far as cleanability, easy to wipe up, wash off because it's all that one piece. So this made short work of some vegetables and meats, would easily make short work of even more difficult items as well. This would make a great addition for any chef's kitchen.